Let's cut the fluff. If your girlfriend doesn't desire you anymore, or if she's cold, distant, distracted, or disrespectful, then understand this. You're not her man anymore. You're her emotional support pet. It's simple. To her, you now exist only to listen to her, obey her instructions, and get blamed for anything that goes wrong. And if the desire is gone, respect is also out of the door. If you want to flip the script, or if you want her chasing you again and worship the ground you walk on, then stop trying to win her over like a chump. Instead, you should start using Shogun Method style D.R.E.A.D game and make her feel she's about to lose you. Because when she's losing you, that's when her desire for you explodes. We'll dig deep into the mechanics of D.R.E.A.D game in a while, but first, let's figure out why she doesn't desire you anymore. Here's the thing, she's not broken, and she hasn't changed. She's just made one small but important observation. You're not going anywhere. She's got you locked down. You're always available. You bend to please her. You never challenge her. Whenever she pulls away, you jump and pull her back. And that's the reason she no longer has the hots for you. Because here's the truth. The moment a woman feels safe from losing you, she stops desiring you. As I teach in Shogun Method at shogunmethod.com, comfort kills desire, familiarity kills tension and security, kills sex. If you're not schooled in Shogun Method, then I won't blame you for not knowing this. In fact, it's likely that you're making the mistakes that regular guys make by doubling down, trying harder, and giving your woman more of everything: attention, money, and affection. But guess what? This backfires spectacularly every single time. Because by overcompensating, in her eyes, you just confirmed the one thing she feared. You're weaker than her. And guess what? Women don't desire weak men. They always have the tingles only for men far stronger than them. So, if you want your girlfriend to desire you again, 10 times harder than before, then you must appear stronger and do the opposite of what you've been doing. You must stop pleasing, stop chasing, and stop explaining that much. Instead, you must do this one thing: trigger D.R.E.A.D. In Shogun Method terminology, D.R.E.A.D is the deep, gut-level panic a woman feels when she realizes she might lose you. It's not sadness nor regret. It's pure survival instinct. When awakened, she clings onto you like a baby koala onto its mother. Everyone experiences D.R.E.A.D, but Shoguns use it to induce emotional addiction and dependence. It works by flipping the emotional frame and putting the woman as the chaser, not the man. To play the D.R.E.A.D game, you trigger insecurity in her, denying her need for validation and rewarding her loyalty and obedience. The simplest form of D.R.E.A.D game in Shogun Method involves 2 steps, and the first step is about triggering the D.R.E.A.D. Try disappearing for 24 hours with no warning. When she texts or calls, ignore her. When you see her again, say things like, "I've been thinking a lot about us," or "I'm not sure this is working for me," or "Something's missing and I can't ignore it anymore." Let her stew in her own thoughts and projections. To take things up one notch, withdraw affection completely. No more hugs or sweet talk. Say less than her. Give her one-word replies and put in 0 emotional effort. Sometimes talk to other women and let her see it. Remember, these aren't threats. They're triggers, and you're triggering her survival-level fear of losing you. And once you flip that switch, you have her attention again. Now you start sculpting the behavior you want with the second step in the Shogun Method D.R.E.A.D game. Now here's the thing. D.R.E.A.D is meaningless without a reward. So when she's compliant and she does what you want, reward her. Compliment her appearance. Touch her tenderly when she least expects it. Take her somewhere special and spoil her for once. Mention a future together where everything's bright and rosy. Open up about your feelings briefly. Give her the best sex of her life. This is how you condition her brain to want to please you. D.R.E.A.D leads to loyalty, which is then rewarded. Repeat this cycle until she's emotionally rewired into pleasing you. Many new shoguns ask me how to balance between D.R.E.A.D and reward. Here's my suggestion. Start with 2 to 1, meaning 2 D.R.E.A.D triggers and 1 reward. Then, progress to 3 to 1, and finally 4 to 1. In Shogun Method, the 4 to 1 is where the E stage of the D.R.E.A. model lives. This is where you exercise full control, where she starts fearing the loss more than anything else. To learn more about the D.R.E.A. model, go to D.R.E.A.model.com and download a free digital book. We're coming to the end of this video, So let's recap. If you want your girlfriend to desire you like crazy, then here's what you must understand. You'll never get her desire back by acting like a chump. You'll never appeal to her by talking, begging, or whining like a pencil-dicked soy latte drinking pussy. You want real power and full control, and it's what you get with Shogun Method. To start, go to fractionation.org and enter the Shogun Method online masterclass. Inside the masterclass, you'll learn how to deploy D.R.E.A.D games step by step, how to use fractionation to make her emotionally addicted to you, and how to control her behavior without saying a single word. Remember, this is not therapy. This is not communication skills. This is pure emotional dominance, and it's the only thing that works when her desire dies. Go now to fractionation.org and join us. Because if you wait too long, you won't just lose her. You'll lose your own sanity, wondering where it all went wrong. Trust me on this. Join the Shogun Method revolution. Join me now. Fractionation.org.